Hey there guys, and welcome back. I know what you're thinking. It's a little odd to see a post from me in the middle of the week because normally my show posts on Fridays. Well, I wanted to try something different, and what I wanted to try was putting a show midweek, say on a Tuesday, where it wouldn't involve woodworking. It would be either working with a different material, or maybe it's just something I wanted to share with you guys. Maybe it's just a goofy, silly video. It could be anything. But I thought that instead of taking away from our normal Friday gig where we have woodworking and shop projects and where we have things like tool reviews and assemblies, I would make it a day like a Tuesday, sort of to share those things with you. And that doesn't mean there's going to be a video every Tuesday. I'm not a machine. But what it means is when I want to share something different than wood, you're going to see it here on Tuesdays. I'm kind of excited about the project. I got some good things in mind. I've got a few things coming up, and I hope you're going to join me for it, guys, for yet more, I guess, unwoodworking videos. I don't know what you'd call it, but I hope you're going to join me from time to time on a Tuesday for something a little different. I'll see you then.